So last night we had a really late night, and we ended up staying until 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning, and to get everything primed and ready for paint this morning. And sadly, my painter had a medical emergency, and it doesn't look like he's going to be able to come in and finish it for me today at this point. So I'm going to cut in the fender because I've got to get it put on so we can get the rest of the sheet metal lined up and bolt it on. Wish me luck. Getting ready to do the final fitment of the hood so we can get this bad boy painted. We're going to let it sit overnight tonight in the paint booth in here and get it super hot so it cures out. All right, looks like we are wiped down. Got the floor wet, got it hot as the gates of hell in here right now. Bumpers are all masked or all prepped and ready. We decided to paint the hood on after having a challenge keeping it aligned with the brackets. I was afraid we would chip it, so we cut it all in and then just did some more masking work, and we're going to paint it on it. Wish us luck. All right, we're on day 3.5. The paintwork's all done. We're doing final assembly. Our customer is actually here, and we're hoping to get it done in the next couple hours. We've still got inner fenders to put on. We've got one headlight to bolt down. We've got the bumper still to install. The paint match is dead on. Couldn't get much better. He has decided to leave the flares off. He's going to pull the moldings and do a small, like 6-inch painted body stripe, and then I'm going to do some 2016 moldings or fender flares on it. On the back, we've got the bumper on. It looks great. It decided to use the black accents on the bumper pads because the ones off the King Ranches don't come close to matching the Arizona beige that the body stripe is. So it's really coming along. Really good gaps on it, lines up great. And then over here, we have the bumper. We're just putting the fog lights in it, and it looks great as well. We're getting ready to bolt it on and hopefully send him home in the next couple hours. All right, we are in the home stretch. We've got it all together. We've got to stick the badges on, the cowl panel, which has already been cut and trimmed for size. We've got a couple of bolts left to do. Put the doors back together where we had the mirrors off to paint. Probably another 30 minutes or so. And this bad boy is gonna be done, ready to hit the road, head back to Arkansas. All right, it's 2:30 on our 4th day. We've put basically 96 hours into this project, and it's completely done. Getting ready to head home right now. It's a 2004 Excursion, 2016 King Ranch style front clip on it with the chrome grille. We also have the matching rear bumper. Customer has decided to take the flares off on the front and take the moldings off at a later date to do an 11 to 16 style flare and a small painted accent stripe at the bottom. So it's done, headed to its new home. Quick look at the back. The matching back bumper is there on there as well. It's been a great project. We've learned a lot about our paint shop and our capabilities, and we can knock it out of the park like we did on this one. She's off to her home in Arkansas.